Today, we're diving into a fascinating and transformative topic: how to disappear and transform yourself. Whether you're looking to escape a stressful environment, reinvent yourself, or simply find some peace and quiet, this guide will walk you through the steps. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. Section 1. Why disappear and transform? First, let's talk about why someone might want to disappear and transform. Life can get overwhelming. Work, social pressures, personal struggles. Sometimes the best way to deal with these challenges is to take a step back and focus on personal growth. Disappearing doesn't necessarily mean running away. It's about creating space for self-discovery and transformation. It's about shedding old habits, toxic relationships, and environments that no longer serve you. Section 2. Planning your disappearance. The first step in this journey is planning your disappearance. Start by identifying why you want to disappear. Is it to escape stress, start fresh, or find inner peace? Knowing your why will guide your actions. Next, plan the logistics. Decide where you want to go. It could be a new city, a remote village, or even a secluded cabin in the woods. Research your destination thoroughly. Consider safety, cost of living, and accessibility. Create a budget. Factor in travel expenses, accommodation, food, and other necessities. Save up enough money to sustain yourself for at least a few months. Financial stability is crucial for a smooth transition. Section 3. Cutting ties and going off the grid. Now let's talk about cutting ties. This is one of the hardest yet most crucial steps. Inform close friends and family about your decision, but keep details minimal to avoid unnecessary drama. Start by gradually reducing your online presence. Deactivate social media accounts, change your email address, and unsubscribe from newsletters. Use a secure anonymous email service for necessary communications. If you're employed, resign professionally and leave on good terms. Avoid burning bridges. You never know when you might need those connections in the future. Section 4. Embracing minimalism. Embracing minimalism is key to transforming yourself. Start by decluttering your possessions. Keep only what you truly need and what brings you joy. Sell or donate the rest. This process not only lightens your physical load but also your mental burden. Adopt a minimalist lifestyle in your new location. Focus on experiences rather than material possessions. This shift will help you connect more deeply with yourself and your surroundings. Section 5. Self-reflection and personal growth. Disappearing gives you the perfect opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. Spend time understanding who you are and what you want from life. Journal your thoughts, meditate, and practice mindfulness. Set goals for your transformation. What habits do you want to develop? What skills do you want to learn? Create a plan and work on it daily. Remember, transformation is a gradual process. Be patient with yourself. Section 6. Building a new identity. As you transform, you'll naturally start building a new identity. Embrace this change. Take up new hobbies, join local communities, and meet new people. These experiences will shape your new self and enrich your life. Consider changing your appearance if it helps you feel more like the person you're becoming. A new haircut, different clothing style, or even a new name can symbolize your fresh start. Section 7. Staying safe and legal. Safety and legality are paramount when disappearing and transforming. Always prioritize your safety, especially if you're moving to an unfamiliar place. Keep emergency contacts handy and stay informed about local laws and customs. Avoid illegal activities. Disappearing doesn't mean you should break the law. Stay within legal boundaries to protect yourself and your future. Section 8. Reconnecting with the world. Eventually, you might want to reconnect with the world. When you feel ready, reach out to old friends and family. Share your journey and the positive changes you've made. This can strengthen your relationships and provide a support system for your new life. Conclusion. Disappearing and transforming yourself is a brave and rewarding journey. It requires careful planning, self-reflection, and a strong will to embrace change. Remember, this process is about finding peace, happiness, and a better version of yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-help. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and keep transforming.